back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of Sweet 16. So if you guys don't know what it is, I'm gonna explain it to you in short. So as it is my birthday month and I'm turning 16, so I'll be uploading 16 videos this month and you guys need to stay tuned. So it is a very nice offer for you, and in today's video I wanted it to be more of an interactive sort of a video. So I'll be doing 16 random facts about me video. So if you're interested then please keep on watching. Also अगर अब तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी जाके सब्सक्राइब करो. Also hit the little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And yeah, now let's get started. Number 1. So first fact is that I am left-handed. I am lefty in short. I do everything with my left hand. मैं लिखती अपने left hand से हूँ, मैं खाती अपने left hand से हूँ. I do every single thing with my left hand. ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मोस्टली लोगों को जिनके साथ मैं बातें भी करती हूँ या whom I share who are my friends, they also don't know that I write and work with my left hand until and unless I write something and they notice that. So this is something that's very unique. The second fact about me is that I have never tasted coffee in my life, you guys. मैंने अब तक कॉफ़ी टेस्ट नहीं की है. I have always been having नींबू पानी और चाय I used to have earlier, but I have never had coffee. Maybe I'm gonna start having coffee in 2021, but in 2020 till now I haven't had coffee. The third fact about me is that when I used to be small, I used to love having this much hair, and I guess मेरे बहुत देर तक इतने ही बाल थे. And I used to swing them from left to right. I used to love them so much, but now I clearly have very long hair and I love them, and I would never go too short. The next fact about me, that is fourth fact, is that when I was young I was very chubby. I was a very chubby girl. I used to be a very healthy looking baby, but now I'm a person who is very thin, and मेरी मम्मा भी कहते हैं that you were very chubby in the childhood and you used to look cute, but now you are not at all cute. Let's leave about it. The fifth fact about me is that I love rice. I am just in love with rice. I can have rice in every meal of my day forever. Even my friends know this, that जिस दिन मैं rice नहीं खाती हूँ मेरा mood अच्छा नहीं रहता है. So I have rice at least once in a day. I want it. Either I don't get it, but I want it, and it's something that's an obsession now. The sixth fact about me is that I have a very big fear of cockroaches. मुझे cockroaches बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. Although creepy crawlies are always there, but a cockroach is something that I am most feared of. Although अब मैं फिर भी थोड़ा overcome कर रही हूँ, but I just don't like cockroaches at all. The seventh fact about me is that I personally don't like visiting water parks at all because I don't know how to swim very particularly professionally. I mean, I've never learnt it. So I always fear to go to water parks. Even कि जब हमारा picnic था and we were supposed to go to the water park, every year there was a place where we used to there was a kind of a water park in every adventure that we used to do when I was in my merit class. But yeah, now I don't like it at all. उस time भी it was not that huge. I was never into those water rides and everything because I used to fear, and I still fear water parks at the most. Alright, so the eighth fact about me is that I know how to speak French. I have learned French. मुझे अच्छे से फ्रेंच बोलनी आती है. I've studied it for 3 to 4 years and I know how to speak English, Hindi, Punjabi and French. So I know 4 languages, and probably, fingers crossed, I'm gonna try learning German or Spanish in the years to come. The ninth fact about me is that I am a person who is obsessed with bags. Even in my childhood, I leave the pictures here, I used to always accompany myself with a bag. मतलब I used to feel like ये मेरी look है, इसके साथ bag is very important. तो मैं हमेशा अपने साथ एक bag लेके ज़रूर चलती थी. Even now, I have a bag next to me, although I'm at home, but still I'm obsessed with bags. मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ, I have to carry a bag. आई एम जस्ट ऑब्सेस्ड। सिर्फ 2-3 चीज़ें जिन पे मैं इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ, जिसमें बैग्स आ जाते हैं, यूनिकॉर्न आ जाता है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी एंड बैग्स हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ कॉन्स्टेंट लव फॉर मी एज अ पर्सन. द 10th फैक्ट अबाउट मी इज दैट इफ आई स्लीप आई कैन हेयर एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. मतलब अगर मैं सो गई हूँ, इवन इफ आई एम इन अ वेरी डीप sleep and I'm sleeping very properly, it has been a long hours, but still I can hear everything that the people are saying outside. मतलब कोई बाहर बात कर रहा है, when I'm sleeping I can hear everything and I can even memorize it. So the next morning I can tell you word by word what you were talking the last night. So you need to be careful if you are talking next to me, because I'm a person, I can even listen when I'm sleeping very properly and very clearly. ऐसा नहीं होता है that I get a blur sound और थोड़ी बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है. मुझे प्रॉपर सेंटेंसेस सुनाई देते हैं इवन व्हेन आई एम स्लीपिंग. सो द नेक्स्ट फैक्ट 11 अबाउट मी इज दैट आई एम अ विविड ड्रीमर. आई ड्रीम एवरी सिंगल डे. मतलब एवरीबडी ड्रीम्स, बट द विविड थिंग अबाउट इज दैट मेरे को हर रात को कोई ना कोई आइडिया आ जाता है मेरे दिमाग में ऑफ माई यूट्यूब वीडियोज और व्हाट आई एम सपोज टू डू द नेक्स्ट डे, एंड द नेक्स्ट डे इट बिकम्स अ वेरी नाइस आइडिया फॉर मी. सो मोस्ट ऑफ माई वीडियो आइडियाज आई फ्रेम देम इन माई ब्रेन व्हेन आई एम स्लीपिंग. So my sleep is very important for me because मैं जब भी सोती हूँ I end up thinking about something that's very important and very great. So this Sweet 16 also came in my mind when I was dreaming. So yeah, I get a very nice ideas. Most of my ideas are accumulated when I'm sleeping. So yeah, a vivid dreamer of course. The 12th fact about me is that मेरी tongue surgery हो चुकी है. I've ended up going through a tongue surgery. So I'll give you a short story time. When I was in 3rd class, we used to play that teacher wala game, and everybody used to play that. There used to be a stabilizer those days. Now we have a split AC and the task is totally removed. But earlier we used to have a stabilizer along with the AC, and I was wearing those long heels, and we used to, seem like we are the teachers and we are on the top of the world. We are supposed to teach the students and things like that. So I was walking around and I just stripped off the stabilizer, and मेरी total जो tongue थी, it was totally cut, and it was a very deep cut because I tripped on the stabilizer and its edge was very you can say edgy. So it completely turned off my tongue, and I didn't knew because obviously I was young enough. And when I came down with my friend, she told me that when you are speaking, it's feeling as if your tongue is not working or your tongue is kind of going deep. And I was also feeling that I'm talking that there is a difference. मतलब मेरे को कुछ लगता रहा था, but obviously I couldn't make out that there is a very deep cut in my tongue. So when I went up, I asked my mom that is there any difference when I'm talking? So she said that, oh, you have a very deep cut in your tongue. So then we went to the hospital and everything carried out. So it was a kind of a surgery. I got it completely joined. My tongue was joined through the ends. It was just a minute difference from my tongue getting completely torn off. But then it got done. But मैं खुश थी because doctor told कि आपको इसमें you don't need to have anything solid for long days. You only can have ice creams or you can have jelly and something. तो मैं खुश थी because I was very young and I was in my early childhood. तो मुझे इतनी knowledge नहीं थी कि इसके क्या consequences हो सकते हैं या मुझे क्या हो गया. बट या दिस वॉज सम एक्सपीरियंस कि अब मैं सोचती हूँ तो आई फील वेरी स्केर्ड कि मेरे साथ क्या क्या हो चुका है. सो या दिस इज समथिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड विद मी एंड आई हैव नेवर शेयर्ड इट विद on national things, so I've shared it now on international level. Okay, so the 13th fact about me is that I don't know how to take tablets even now. Not very properly because I have never had tablets a lot. क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा बीमार पड़ती थी, then we used to have that syrup. But जब से tablets आई हैं, I don't know what is the problem, but I just can't swallow them properly. There is some problem with the tablets. To me, comment down below if this happens with you. I know this is very kiddish, but this is what happens with me. I can personally relate to the people who are not able to swallow the tablet. It's very tough, and I personally face a lot of difficulty when it comes to swallowing. Kind of, I can just chipped off the entire tablet, but I can't swallow it with water. That's the problem with me, and this is something that's very kiddish, but that's what happens with me. The 14th fact about me is that whenever I watch a movie, I don't know if it happens with you, but ये मैंने कभी शेयर नहीं किया. It is something that happens from within. मैं कोई भी मूवी देखती हूँ, if the movie has a very strong message, then at least for 20 to 25 minutes or even the next day, sometimes I feel as if I am into that character and I have that characteristics. So I watched Dangal, which is a very popular movie on wrestling, and after that, it has a message that girls are no less than boys. So when I came out, I felt as if I came out the cinema hall. I feel as if I am the character that you guys have watched in the movie. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा that I am Geeta Fogart and I am very strong. I can challenge anybody. Even now I can challenge, but at that point I was feeling as if I'm a wrestler and I'm very strong and things like that. Even while coming out of the mall, I feel the same feeling and I walk like that, I talk like that. I mean, पता नहीं मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है. कमेंट डाउन इफ यू फील द सेम. आई जस्ट फील लाइक आई गो इनटू द कैरेक्टर और मेरे को मतलब वो मैसेज मैं खुद अंदर कर लेती हूँ, अपने अंदर इनहेरिट कर लेती हूँ. देयर वाज अ मूवी इन विच there are a lot of movies actually in which there is a sad ending or the person dies, so I ended up crying and it comes in my dream also and then things like that. So I don't know if it happens with you, but it genuinely happens with me in every single movie. If it has a strong message, it would hit me so hard that even I would feel like that I am the person in the character, or I would get that message on me for a long time. The 15th fact about me is that I am very professional at home as well. So जब भी कोई वीडियो बनानी होती है, which my parents really admire also and make काइंड ऑफ उनको बुरा भी लगता है, बट आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. मतलब कोई वीडियो होती है, सो आई थिंक अबाउट द आइडिया माई सेल्फ. I know how to execute it myself. I know what to wear myself. I know how to do makeup myself. So मैं उनको कुछ नहीं बताती हूँ that which video I'm making, what I'm doing. I would just tell them I'm filming a video and I'll come out and they'll ask which video. So I'm going to say that no, I'm very professional. बाकी जो viewers हैं उनको भी बाद में पता लगता है when I upload the video. So why should I tell you earlier? तो मैं उनको कुछ नहीं बताती हूँ कि कौन सी वीडियो बनने वाली है. I just tell them I'm filming a video. और जैसी वीडियो अपलोड होगी then they'll come to know automatically that what was the video. So they'll say oh अब ये वाली वीडियो बना रही थी, so why didn't you tell us? So I will be like no, I'm very professional. You are also part of my fam, so I won't tell you that which video I'm making because बाकी जो fam मुझे देख रही है, it is a kind of injustice to them. So that's what I do, which is kind of strange, but I think it is fair. And yeah, the last fact about me is that I am not at all a night person, you guys. मतलब अभी तो फिर भी there is a change, but I cannot just मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ that I would continue to sit and I'm not a night owl at all. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं 3-4 बजे तक बैठी रहूँगी और मुझे नींद नहीं आएगी. आई एम अ पर्सन, मेरी बैटरी टर्न ऑफ हो जाती है 12 बजे तक मैक्सिमम. आजकल ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन येस इट हैज़ एक्सटेंडेड टू 12, बट अर्लियर इट वॉज 10 to 11 बिकॉज आई एम अ पर्सन, आई एम अ मॉर्निंग राइजर. तो मैं अर्ली राइजर हूँ. आई कैन राइज इन द मॉर्निंग एट एनी टाइम यू वॉन्ट, बट मैं रात को कभी भी नहीं जाग सकती. इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेंज थिंग फॉर मी कि मैं 3-4 बजे तक बैठी हुई हूँ तो फिर सोने का टाइम कब मिलेगा. सो आई फील लाइक मेरी साइकिल ना डिस्टर्ब हो तो मैं बिल्कुल भी रात को नहीं जाग सकती. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this first episode and you got to know a bit more about me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Do leave your suggestions in the comment section, your reviews, what you felt about these series, or are you enjoying watching them? Don't forget to share these series with your friends and family because let's make the last month of the year more memorable, more interesting and more entertaining. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Take care. Goodbye.